unfortunately angithola ngumemulo yabo
because they already operated.
No, besides
okay,
that like mina benyufuna
hey operation
no, I wants to do the muffin tin like after like ukumhlohla ngithi wena ubona usemoyeni umnandi
wangomtshela ukuthi Chomi phuma lapha angithe ufuna mina
Nuchoma ngitshela next uchoma uzolibela mjola ngimphethe nami so yeah I would say snipping
so when meaning you enjoy being umakhwapeni
no
as a guy bawugule HIV AIDS everything
yeah so that's a level
yeah so like zayibiza njani itotoloza yakho yabo yashrink okanye
no that's my child mama
I have experience
yeah boss you galana isami
you get to uyahlika iveliwe abafana badla ubhiba ngazakhulume ngoba yena nje wa date ne ex kamngani wakhe abhema naye so lo akayazi next ngamaphepha
No Cap Podcast up next. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell every time one drop, guys. You'll be notified. This is episode 7, if I'm not mistaken, guys. For No Cap, guys. If you're new, please, guys, look what we're bringing you, guys. We're working overtime to give you a nice show, guys. So please subscribe, like, comment, guys. And if you would like to, to add on some, new topics that maybe you can operate and whatnot, guys, please. She's busy talking that side, she's distracting me. Yeah man, so I'm gonna start with the one who distract us. Right, to introduce herself, and then after we're gonna go by the road. Are you guys cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Hey yo, what's up? What's good? YouTube, it's a girl Naditi Washington, all the way back from Santon Crickle Street. I'm back again with another show. Bang! I'm not alone. Who's thinking? Khitlo shashalaza mo. We are about to go down.
Yeah.
We are about to make Freedom Park bomb.
Yeah,
because we really need to put Freedom Park on the map. But then anyways, I'm not alone, guys. I'm with
it's a new daughter.
Yes,
Such a intro daughter. Let's cook. Yeah.
Sanibona mfethu uMadimpulzi lona njengoba nawo. Ela ngithi yenze njengoba sithola shilo guys khona so busy ngathi zela namabhomu.
Of course. Yeah.
What's up, Afeti? It's your boy, people, the hero, aka Mama's boy. Sure. I Spencer money.
What's up, ladies and gents? It's your girl Janet. Just Janet.
Yeah.
Just Janet.
Of course.
Massacant.
Of course.
We got Maza in the building.
Terrible land. Terrible.
Yeah. Boy, yo, what's up, my bro? You operate that level.
Yes.
I hear you guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So we're coming from Easter, guys.
Yeah.
So I wanna know, like, how was your Easter? What interesting thing happened on Easter? Because for me it was a hell. So I'm gonna be the last one on this one because it's a long story. So I don't know which couch should I start, here or there?
There.
Where?
Because like mine.
There.
Okay, let's operate you guys there. How was your Easter day?
Hold paper, sis.
Okay. And then
I mean, it was normal.
okay.
Like, I hardly dwell into festives. Okay. June 16,
Yeah.
well, I would celebrate it, but then it's not something like ngibe so fascinated njengabanye abantu ngithi iloniyeza ininiyeza. Nah, I don't do that. Like fikile
So to you it's not like a big deal.
Yeah,
it's like just like a day.
Yeah, it's a normal day for me. The only day that matters, I think, in New Year.
But like Guys, but like you've been saying, Gucci, you were chasing Easter eggs, but I think it is something, bro.
I did something ngoba ngimemiwe ukuthi ngizohansa ama Easter egg. Either way, I got like 5 Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Nothing much. Yeah, of course.
And this one.
So yeah.
I thought it's like you guys get like, okay, Easter eggs, because shout out to Savannah. She gave me those eggs. It's the first time, having those eggs, and basically it's a chocolate. Yeah. So basically it's just a chocolate. So on my head, coming from the rural door, I thought it's like a normal eggs, like for me. Bro. Because when you see them on TV and whatnot, they wanna give you like decorated egg like this.
Yeah.
You get? So I thought like when they say Easter eggs, it's like no, not really a raw egg. I know like
it is the eggs and melting chocolate. It's just it's in a color pizzle. Ugh man, Tole, what's wrong with you?
I'm coming from the rural, bro.
In the way you've been born for a very long time, for you to say you thought that was eggs.
No, I thought like the mini one are like a normal eggs. You get, because that's the size of a normal egg. So I thought those like is actual eggs. So when they like Savannah gave me those things, I was like, oh, okay.
Savannah Kamalomundo.
Yeah, shout out to Savannah.
I thought it's not to shout out to Savannah or the Savannah the brand.
No. No, I operated them. So I thought when they say Easter eggs, especially the small one, Bibo, I was like, okay, it's like just Ilona saying kukunje, like. So when you found out, oh, it's all chocolates and whatnot. So where were you guys hunting them? Were you part of it?
No.
Okay.
Jim Sharel. I'm having say Eldos.
Okay.
I'm say Eldos. We say Eldos. When you park song.
Okay.
Yeah, then maybe and I only got 5. But it's better because it's like remember the whole Freedom Park, which is your hand. So obviously there is chances whereby you go toilet.
Wait. Okay, I hear what you're saying, but like, who buys these eggs and plant them?
No,
by computer.
I think abantu bavele baza like abesondo, and they were like, let them do something for environment. Understand?
Okay.
So bring la payane and then boom, ngahanta. And then yeah, mina beng no my mom. Decided to show my mom ngale long weekend. And then nothing much, nothing less. The only thing that happened the time you go my mom, because now I began to go into this Easter egg thing. Along to my shop rights, nothing fish. They were interested in we didn't even buy hot cross buns, fish, next.
Hey, these people operate some levels. Hey.
Like isn't this is like everyday Kaya? So we could imagine let's say go be Easter. I think if maybe see or something. That's a song and something sabom kheten. Sharp. So my mama to my shop rights, me to my shop rights. What's anything fish? Kareka fish jwalo guys. What's the fish in a can? Yeah, and then I took the fish in a can, guys, and I was supposed to buy a fish in a can. So it was a lot of work for me because I was going and I'm trying fish bina le. Yeah, well, the fish is doing Easter.
I don't even know Easter fish.
Pickled fish. So I'm taking a can, the laying at CBSC, like. So like it was a whole process, like we cut her guys, Mama Simba. And like the cleaning process, it was a lot, but also interesting because I'm saying forgetting about chicken, but while taking fish in a can, fish in a can. But then anyways, my fryer. Everything was cool, nothing much. So yeah.
And then Dora, what did you do this sister?
I have jail. I showed you one of you as a plans of food. Yeah, because what driving can. Why? Sorry. The car gate has been very lazy into the sun. She will no man. Be good long and it fine.
Of course.
Just a moment.
Like Kiji. Vile hayepolweni nje ngabuya ngayaku baby
hey baby
baby love
hey baby love okay yeah
I think manje ngivele thini
and then you people
hey mina sithole ngitakiwe like bengibaby emkhulu yabo Monday nge6
yeah shout out happy belated Nthola happy belated Nthola yeah
how old are you?
21
Oh, of course. Salman.
Yo.
Shame. So
Okay. Alright.
Thank you, Tony. Yes. We got it to shoot me flames.
Yeah. We're operating a Gordon's level.
You the
So Skia 21st day.
Yo, go check this like it's key. Shit.
That's nice.
Okay, and then
People
you.
my 25 tower for sona, ne? It's that dura, essa somebody malin. Skia sa dura.
Is it?
Skia. Uyosenzisa laphaya on top of that. Sidura even more if you want like sibe nama initials wakho.
No way. So it's a thing, not key thinking.
Yes.
But it's not like it's.
And I'm actually surprised he got a key because usually lento le ifuna amantombazana.
Iman who?
Wait.
Skia kwenzala ngi.
He said utene 21. So that's the key we're talking about. Is key leso sithola. Okay, usually abantu bathu memulo. Angithi if igini bakenze lo memulo ukhona ukuthola isikhi.
Yo.
Ish anginasithembe ukubonisa leso sikhi. No, lesana it's actually a gift to.
Okay, so when you operated the momulele level, then they give you the key.
No, because mina angithi ekhaya khona amakhaladi, so they don't really believe lezinto zomemulo and stuff. They just said if you're virgin or not, that's fine, and that's your own privacy.
But you got the key.
Tina, we're just doing this for you because you finished matric, you had no kid, and you were working and studying whatsoever. Here's a key, like appreciation, good endlini, like you were able to isikolo ungamithanga. Basically, like for me, i-theory eyafika nabantu abakudala ukuthi isikhiya uzithola mongamithanga. Mara now the way ngibuka ngakhona in this generation esikuyo manje, isikhiya you can also get it whether unomntana or not, you can get it as long as wena ucedile isikolo. Mina ngibona reason ukuthi why abantu bangathola isikhiya ngoba banabantwana.
Okay, so how much these keys start? Like icala kumalini, so like
a minimum would be like 10 to 18k.
Wait, what are you saying, bro?
But remember, it's KXC board. It's not wood. It's actually glass. More like a glass, a tombstone. Plus it comes in different shapes. So most solid.
So from 10k to 18.
Yeah. But then makes approximately up.
Okay.
Price, but then beba complain as if because ngiyazi ukuthi ba contribute.
I wanna come back to 21st key, ne? And then you, how was your Easter, man?
My Easter was just normal. We ate pickled fish the whole day, the whole weekend. Considered fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway.
So wait. So you eat this pickled fish like at home or wherever you are going, maybe to your aunt, you gotta chow the pickled fish.
Yes,
you
wherever you go, there's pickled fish, raw pickled fish.
Damn, this crazy.
But then pickled fish is nice.
Nah, I hear you, man.
Pickled fish you got about.
Indian pickled fish very
Pickled fish is like fish mixed with onions and turmeric powder to make the juice yellow.
Yeah.
With vinegar and black.
So like how big is it on like a braai stand or whatever? Are they braaiing it or they're cooking it?
You see the normal fish without head?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bake it and then fry it and throw it inside.
I thought maybe they're operating the foil level. Then okay.
Pickled fish is very simple.
Damn, bro. I never chowed the pickled fish, and you know what? We podcasting, baby. Hey, pickle, we coming. So you are saying, hey, pickle fish. So you are saying, did you get the key?
No.
You are not yet. Okay, cool.
Soon.
But you're waking.
Slowly,
But you're
yeah.
above 18, right?
Yeah.
You're above 18.
But I'm turning 21, 16 December.
Oh, so you're already there. So are you expecting a key as well?
Yes, that's a must.
Of course, guys.
So okay, cool. Guys, this is my question. What happened to this key when you had it? So do you pass it to another person? Because from 10k to 18k, that's a lot of money, bro.
Yeah,
I won't lie.
I pass it to someone. As long as
now,
I think you can pass it if you wrote a message regarding Leo Mutlo and if you know my initials why. But then if I next it was just a 21st message, then you can pass it to someone else. Because why should I buy another one?
So okay, you guys have a lot of trophies in your houses for no reason. Like, so you just have like
Trophies.
like bro, like cause some of them come in like a wood thingy, then it's on top and like, yeah.
I think Leo it's cheaper because kumbula even a wood any class. Minam it's all glass and message.
and it's got
Yeah, kind of stone.
Isombe sam no yo kube babhadala ama 50 meter phela lapho.
this thing, man.
Put your picture on it.
Yeah.
So-
Mara I think is No, mina ngibe nendaba ne because
No, I think you know what? Ne? Sorry to cut you off. Ne? I think it's an environment where you come from. If ever,
besides environment.
No, it is environment because if ever you are surrounded by people who believe in these things, which when now those that thing, if na lento yokuhlolwa. Yes, for certificate and whatnot. Now where you gonna try by all means, which I need a certificate. I rather operate the Lamza level. Not the
Why not?
you get because I really want when we go to the solar level I want to come back with the certificate. So I think it's an environment. So for us it doesn't mean anything that much. It's like okay you're 21st so what? You get
Mama ngifisa sengathi like
yeah.
Ifollow kakhulu abantu like amaZulu.
Okay.
Mina inspiration ngithole like from Zulu people because uyabona futhi mase bathi umemullo unfortunately angithola ngumemullo yabo
Because they
Mara,
already operated.
no besides
Okay,
that like mina
I was just saying.
benyufuna.
Hey, operation! No, I'm just passing, bro.
No, mina benyufuna umemulo like
Okay.
honestly like
Yeah.
benyufuna umemulo.
Utwafika ubrajone, ukubrasha brasha.
No. No.
It's a finish now.
Nakuba yabo.
Okay.
Unfortunately from the other side of the family but no we're not going to do that yabo.
Okay.
When we are going to buy you the key. Plus each kid was also in surprise. I mean I thought it's just a birthday party yabo bayenzayo. And yeah, but because like yonke into belapha bebuka abantu abacashiwe like bokhona ne-council ase-Elders if nabazi. Shout out to Jurera guys.
Okay.
Bokune council.
So it was like 21st yakho, it was like the 21st.
Yeah, it was big. And mara the sad part is that I celebrating on my birthday, but celebrating a birthday cousin am. So mina ngifila sengathi endlini bokhona umshika it was actually meant for him not me.
So,
Mina phela ngitshela abo anti abanye. Angisazi indlela there's favoritism. Ngitshela abantu abanye ukuthi no, just dress like this. Futhi bathe dress the way you were dressed on your birthday. Because na birthday I'm like izinto eziningi ngizenzele.
wait. So it was belated now.
Yes.
They did already.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So, but they operated the key level on you,
Yeah. Ukuthi so itu.
and then your your cousin. Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah,
Oh, I
and
see.
then
Now for the fact that like bokunabantu abalethe i-gift specifically for mina
Yeah.
and for naye cousin nami I think nami maybe I was part of a plan mara the way iphume ngakhona lapha endlini ukuthi no it was actually meant for that one because babele bangitshela out of nowhere guys like bekumele ngichache ikhanda on that very same day because bengisanomchino we-birthday yami ngenza izinto eziningi on that very same day like busy stressful and mina nginenkani because like bangiforce for like literally an hour ukuthi ngichache ikhanda and I was like no I'm not going to do that for what yabo ngabona man endlini kuyaphephreriwa pundiwe utshani
Yeah.
there's a lot kunama strange tent but then being that no it's for my cousin
Because you have
but
already-
and I think he enjoyed it more because they did it on his week birthday basically but then on the same week
Yeah.
bayenzile so mara it's a bike guys as long as now I got the key and the gift
Okay. So the key for you was like.
yeah even got a phone actually the phone began 21st even though it's not mara yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay, I hear you. Ne? So okay, I wanna ask, ne? I wanna move from the 21st. We're gonna come back. You must come back when you operated the key level. Actually, you must come with your key after you got your key.
Definitely.
Yeah, and says yo, our viewers, this is what you were talking about last. You get, yeah. You must bring it when you got it. So I have another question, right, guys? So as gents, we have like bro code. So I wanna ask you from you guys, do you have like a girl's code?
in terms of
when it comes to dating?
dating.
Yeah.
never date your friend's ex.
Ah, make am nandi.
Wait.
Yay! Good job!
Wait.
Okay, let's say we've been sneaky links nomuntu wakho and I was when I'm Zala,
You're wrong, Mzala. You're wrong.
Okay,
Mean dog.
I think I would. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
I need to turn a bro code.
Yeah.
Let's say Sabangan C3.
Okay.
Mina and I, we've been friends for years. And then, Jeanette, I pop it up in this friendship. Simtande, na aqala ukuba in the crew, but then obviously, between Tina so to like, anye khona onyeke abe na that strong relationship naye. There will always be love, kathi nekundwana understand. And then, mina ngithande umuntu wakhe. What happens? Let's say mina ngithanda umuntu wakhe. Even though I thought we cannot live friendship, mara obvious I will always respect Owagalo because I can't nali o sibuya fantuka mnana. Mara lo, let's say umuntu wakhe ngiyamthanda and I used to so to sathandana inte.
Yeah.
I would do that because good friendship being now, like kinda this friend or figure like good friendship after my years. And like abantu bakhe, they would literally want me and I wouldn't step back and the boogie situation you would see maybe an analovana loyo khane bayazana. So the situation is sense anjani. Ngiyo confirm ukuthi ngithi choni. Oh brother, uyangifuna. Nyenza njani? I wouldn't even
come. Baby, what? And obviously, I know about. And
ubesti Pumba mengamxoxela ngithi chomi umuntu kamzala lo uceda ungena manje uyangifuna ubesti Pumba uzongisupporta because sabangane ngisivele sihlohlana ngamakhaya so mlande chomi as long as ena sharp lo munye sekazoba strong.
And then when I
want to take on that
ilona yakho I girls code yakho ithini
Lo umbono bunyoka.
No guys, I'm being honest. Inkinga abanye abantu like noma bangafika manje ku friendship anyeke uba consider like ubesti Pumba wakho. So if mina ngimthandile, I'm not saying
so you are saying you might date your friend's boyfriend if you are not that close.
Yeah. Why not?
Damn. She's cooking.
Why not?
Okay, and then Donna, wait.
Mara if ngiyamfuna na uyangifuna and siyafundana.
Wangomtshela ukuthi Chomi phuma lapha angithe ufuna mina.
Nuchoma imtshela next. Uchoma uzolibela mjola ngimphethe nami. Uzomshare.
So okay, Uchomi yena uzoba like so open. Wena
uyazi
wena kusho ukuthi wena udila ngama sneaky link. Yeah.
Not really sneaky link.
So,
yeah, I would say sneaky link.
So when meaning you enjoy being umakhwapeni?
No.
Yeah.
Just a guy ungone attractive, nami ngambona attractive. Okay, I can be umakhwapeni, but friend now she's also a fool on the other side.
Because I'm the
For the fact
because she's the main.
Who aware she's the main makuba no twin attention esikhathini esiningi. Who aware ukuthi makune side chick yehlezi ethola leso sikhathi.
Esikhathini esiningi uJeanette she's the one who's gonna emakoteni bahamba no Lona no Gino eloneni Southgate kuma pizza day and everything uJeanette. When it's raining
I don't care as long as you give me what I want. I don't care.
When the red robot is happening on Gino, he's calling you nigga.
I say, we need to ashray.
The banga now.
Yeah.
And then Donna Wella gets got your coitin. If you do have furniture,
yeah,
you're burning. And then when another okay.
But nje ngawukuthi nje
angeke
vele uzojola no
uskara ibraya
shit chepis like
angazi why isona because angidlanga nesikhobe chepis iba sona if uyifake uqeda ukudla something ukudla like udla
yabona if bowuthenge nge5
no ngitheke emakhuleni so I understand
yeah so
hey sithole
yeah
ngithi mina hayi ilena nje ukuthi ngangeke uzojola nomuntu ebengijola naye nanokuthi ungijola nomuntu engijola naye Masimba.
So what if when you broke up, no baby love, then your friend goes and would you allow that? But already
umngani wami bengimtshela yonke into ngimtshela ukuthi ubhebe ungishaka mnandi empetheni ngimtshela ukuthi ubhebe wenzani
but what if ukushaya komnandi empetheni is that that's the like a green flag? Yeah ukuthi naye I want somebody who's gonna operate me on those high levels.
That's why bathi umngani ungamthembi. Ayikho leyo mina ngiyazi sasho.
I think it depends ku relationship wena nomngani wakho. Hence why mina bengisho ukuthi because when you're already my bestie Pumba, know you for years, I would never do that. Mara for lokho ukungena kule friendship, I would do that.
Awusileke wena uyena nokuthi ungena la ku friendship uza ngenhliziyo epure. Inhliziyo right wa honest na ukutshela.
No, phela ngiyamphakamisa kule friendship.
Oh, inama.
Hey, phaphamisa.
Yeah, bengisasho guys leyo ukuthi nje hayi ujola ujola nomuntu engijole naye umngani wami ngithembile ayisebenzi.
So by the way, shout out to Ntsakza for popping up, guys. Ntsakzen,
yeah, sure.
Please holla at your people, bro.
Before you continue.
Yeah.
Yes, lokhulumayo Ntsako. Sanibona into.
Intombi ezinye intombi.
Bafethu Ntsako makuza lokhuluma intombi ezinye intombi.
Yeah.
Bengekho nabo mabayiqala kodwa niyazi akusi ukuthi iqale nobani kodwa ukuthi iqeda nobani.
Ay, shout out, Dwana. Yeah, shout out. So we are talking about bro code.
Yeah.
You know. So she mentioned something very important and interesting as well. So she was cooking.
Bengathi.
Dwana, you missed out. You have to watch the show. Dwana. We ain't going there.
Sabona
The way
nje angathi
but
mara kunjani umuntu mangazi umuntu omazi ukuthi la udila nepoison.
No, it's not about poison and everything. It's me. I'm being myself and it's nice.
Shout out to you.
Abanye bawusathe kuwo lawo ama friendship lawo bangazi ukuthi abangani babo bayabadlela guys so. Futhi ayasukela man.
Okay, yeah. So when would you date your best friend's ex? Bahlukene Ntwana.
Okachomi.
But one of your friends, would you break that code? Dala umfuni.
No.
yeah.
Akuya ngokuthi close kangakanani.
Thank you.
It's the same thing that you're saying, bro.
Date nomuntu okwade uDunsane noma noMuskar. No. But umuntu maybe esihlangana kuphela etshwaleni no unkolotani.
No, here we're talking about bro code, like so when your homies you want.
Kuya ngokuthi close kangakanani.
Thank you.
Okay, and then when a people
yeah man niyafana lento ngothi amachita sifunene nje.
Bafana badla
uBhibo angazakhuluma ngoba yena nje wadate ne-ex kamngani wakhe abhema naye. So lwaka yazi next ngamaphepha.
thank you.
Batshele. This is no cap.
Yeah.
I think
Rovias phela uGelda bekazichayile.
exactly. That's my chat. Ukuthi what if isuka sifunana.
uGelda bekazichayile. Nabe ngithi ayigela.
Umuntu kamngani wakho uphuma kungani.
Umuntu engimbona njengosisi umuntu kanje close
no.
Otherwise I zoom.
And then you, Masa, would you?
I would never.
For real?
I would never. Like it pain man.
Yo.
Yeah.
Kanjani? Usuyavuma.
But okay, you know
if you were for me best friend. Mara umuntu eqeda ukungena.
So you know what me and Timen and other boys, shout out to my boys. You know what we used to do, ne? So our code was this: you're not gonna date somebody that I already dated, right? But if I go to or I approach a girl and one pumpy is that girl, I'm sending Timen to operate.
Yeah.
If Timen's fails, we are sending excellent to operate. If not, it must attack as well.
Like he understand there. leyo nje understand cabanga nje uthimeni wakhona lo adla lapho maqeda lapho ugele usishaya ngawe na usishaya ngawe maqeda uyodla lapha
no, we don't operate that level because we believe. I don't know if maybe it's like I don't know, some myth ne, which once you operate one hand ngeke ni lahlana, you can put other one to rest. Okay, for an example, let's say you guys are operating one guy, right? So if why are you laughing, bro? So if you're operating one hand or one guy, ne? If one of you passed away, she can't come to your funeral.
What?
Because you guys are operating one thing. So after a week or so, she will pass away as well.
Okay, so ngicobuzwa something
Yes.
so ukukhatha.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say ujolile no girl. Mara girl mawuthu akushaya isandla. Sharp. Qeda lapho ubona ukuthi no. Ngishaya isandla lo. Nihlukane maybe. Izomvumela umngane wakho ukuthi ajole naye.
Already operated.
Like
Oh. That's why I was saying with Tina, we send each others up.
Oh, I got
If I didn't operate, if I didn't operate the Punani level, I'm sending my boy there.
Maybe you are not meant to be.
If I'm not meant to be, exactly. If I'm not meant to be, I'm sending someone.
And you can't force things. What if you put bege
Exactly. So that's our goal.
It's just that
No, it's a pain. I mean, you know, it's not even a pain. Tina, that's how we used to do. It means she didn't want you from the first place. Yeah. Maybe when okay, for example, from like high school and everything, maybe when nobody wrong, so we used to operate those. Yeah. So when you're saying it, you'll never. Even if you pump in, you can't send someone. You guys are something, yeah. You guys are something, yeah. What are you saying, bro?
Nanoma sekuthiwa ngicicela kanjani ukuthi umuntu wami ungidla mnandi kanjani akusho ukuthi nami ngifuna noma kuthiwa ngithi
no ayicala we friends
if around in A1 uchama kai 5 and on
hey covering hey what a level
I'm around I5 I'm saying I'm shit mangazitholela lo ngaba right mix no icala lapho
guys nje ngicela nabalalelo sithole nje abasimba lawo
what are you saying bro
intombazana ngekapela entameni
yo you are when no gangsterism
no very
but there's many fishes out there you can't be crying for the guy that you wanted
okay
go and explore
okay while we are still on while we are still on like dating type shit right there's a guy who operated more than 100 honeys out there.
No, we are not.
So for someone who doesn't know, there's a guy who was caught cheating. I think the wife, the wife, because he's married and Ushatil and whatnot. So the wife operated the phone level on which she found out like this nigga has been taking 200 plus.
Now your wife wrong. Why are you going through your men's life? For what reason?
As wife.
Yeah.
Maybe actual girlfriend, wife.
But then still, and if you trust me already, why are you entering in my phone? You know about to mind your own business.
Shoot when usabu kubona lento icabanga ngendoda yakho ukuthi.
Akuthi ngisabu kuyibona mele umthembe umuntu wakho. Phela ukubona lapha yena ifuna kusho ukuthi bomsola vele from
but isn't guys like they
say up until akule.
Yes.
I'm saying gula naye ugirl shuminsu peace. I never usola umuntu akuthi uyafeba ungafemi. Kucho lo peace.
There's like this thing guys, ne? There's like these things they say if you don't date, ne? While you are still on your 20s, whatever, ne? It's gonna catch up on you. Don't you think Kuti Umchita he was a nerd? Because I think he's a doctor, right? Yeah, I think he's a doctor. So don't you think the guy was just chilling, lying down, everything, focusing on his books and everything? Then I want to find out with you. After shattering level, after the ring level, that's where the fun is. Was like, oh, man, but like, don't you think with it? Abantu kumele badlale while you're still young and
But
that's what I'm saying with it. Don't you think with it?
Guys, I think it's not about ukuzincinca. I think environment akhulele kuyo and abazali abamkhulisile. Yeah, uyabazali laba bathi umntana makumele bajole like aba through your phone, abakuchecka ukuthi hamba nabo bani. Bakhona ukubeka nabo makhebani ukuthi bakuchecke ukuthi what are you doing when you're out there. You're not even allowed to go to a simple birthday party akachomza. If then uyaya kuba ne certain time whereby they're gonna fetch you or when lesomela ubuye ngaso. I don't really think like wonke umuntu if usasemncane mele like I go out there. I think it's also part of self-respect because I do believe khona abafana ababelievela king, especially when it's gonna come to like being intimacy, like abafuna ukuba out there basabugula. Despite him being slow or angakhona ukoperator namantombazane, self-respect. Maybe he's planning for that maqondana wakhe. Bese masekafikile maqomba. Inkinga nakhona ukudlala kusasemncane kumnandi because you get to learn more about your relationship ukuthi injani and everything. But let the favor guys.
No,
support guys. Settle down. You show good in my prime. I believe I just strong. And if I can do women on top now in Yaguda, if when you so sad
right now.
Okay, what's your take on the guy?
I'm going to play Monchita. Yeah, in the show.
Hey, why? So you
operate in London.
And then if it was you finding your man, let's say you're married and everything, as a doctor, you are living in the state city and whatever, like driving the best G-Wagons and whatnot. Then you find out like, yo, this nigga has been operating more than 100 chicks. What would you do?
Like he's eating every 100 chicks.
It's a yeah.
The first thing I would do, go check myself.
First.
What if so cool? HIV AIDS or you born in 2 weeks, or you born after 3 or 6 months.
Okay, but like okay.
I would go test myself. Yeah, then after that, I think I would leave the guy.
You want a divorce? You are leaving all what you got. And imagine you are a housewife. You got nothing, bro. You are divorcing the guy. Yeah.
No, I'm a cleaner housewife.
Bro,
there's always a backup.
No, bro, there's a lot of people who even says, Mina, I wanna be a housewife. She's educated, she's whatever.
No, I'm a housewife. I truly believe abantu abanama boyfriend or ama girlfriend animal. You don't just decide to be a housewife. I think usuga ufostiwe. No, mina bateng baning basuga baphoqelekile ukuthi baba ama housewife. Usuga ufostiwe utsheliwe from the guy's side ukuthi no baby, you know what? And then now even though you're working, no, the man I'll give it to you double in a month. When I just do this and then we start the ending, I'll go and do the work.
But do you know a lot of women, especially like housewives and stuff, they decide to leave their jobs and say, yo, it's like I'm straining myself of doing this 9-to-5 thing, which is bringing peanuts inside the house. Where now you are operating like 100K, remember there's like your BBLs, it's operating your surgeries and whatnot, like he's chowing a lot of money. So you don't see yourself like, why should I even? You're for like 10K, the guy can, a week, he can operate like 200K.
That's why I learn finance when they donate.
Yeah, actually,
because now so many do so.
Unless if you smart,
because we are when on the way, when I see loot of a
yeah, that's why it's if you smart.
Yeah.
chow his money. Like, yeah, imele smart. Like, no good. The man every month. Yes, we are saving.
So you are not leaving. When you are not leaving, she said she's checking your status and she's bouncing. When you are not leaving.
But there's a lady who must have a backup plan.
I wouldn't leave if
I don't know. Look, you are so comfortable, Janet. Ne? You are not doing anything. Like, you know, everything is here at home. Hubby is taking care, private school, whatever. You're staying city is very expensive.
Why mina ngizobe ngihlala endlini ngingasebenzi.
That's
why uzenzela amazimba lawo ukuthi
ukugeza emashaweni.
Wait. What are you saying?
Ngokugezela emashaweni phezulu ekhekhe.
2000.
So feel like it's not worth it to be a
Uye ku grade 12.
No, lawyer izobuya kuyi. Even though suku matric kumele ukuthi ingqondo it's in another level. So uzosetshela
Yo, mawubona ishower.
Bro, we did ask each other about Easter, and then how was your Easter?
Guys, ngistambe ibhora.
And I didn't even say my Easter weekend. Okay, I'm gonna operate now.
Bebele ngihambe ngiyothenga into zenu.
Oh.
Into yini? Bebele ngihambe ngiyothenga into ze-wardrobe ne. Ngiyenze wardrobe. Qale Friday isahlike taxini course kuvaliwe tonton. Fast forward Saturday samsothenga into ze-wardrobe. Mangibuye umuntu edropa kayiphetanga. Okay, I see train smash ne because amanye amabhodi kade bangawakhathanga kahle. Athi uzobuyela Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Azokhuluma nami Wednesday lapho ngimhafile. Yabo ukuthi nje
yabona into yokubhadala vele
Easter
upfront.
Yeah.
Ivele nje yabhora ngiphuzanga nebhiyo ngiphuzile ibhiyo. Yeah,
beer is very important. What's wrong with you, bro?
I need to be ukwehlisa the stress level. Cause like wangenza kanje. Yabo so I mean yami Easter.
Bro, it was the first time I always hear people saying ukuthi ugiye ekhaya, especially Limpopo. Easter is a disaster.
Yes.
Bro. Yeah. It's traffic.
It was hectic. For the fact that we could buy display and saying that it was crazy. Because Nama was supposed to go there, but then.
Bro, ngihambile on Wednesday. After I took the cab, went home. Sharp, gigging and
you figure around what time?
In the morning.
Hamba late then.
Yeah. Sunday, I attended some funeral, like some relative of ours and stuff at the center funeral. They said 12 o'clock we're leaving. Bro, just came back from the funeral like now. I was like, nah, get out of here. I need like maybe like a morning taxi and whatever. Phone some guy, I say, yo bro, can you operate like 2 o'clock taxi? I was like, yo, I got you. I was like, ah? Hey bro, this nigga came around 2-3 in the morning. I sharp, we're vying. This taxi is giving us problem. It doesn't even have a permit. The taxi doesn't have like a seat belt for the drive. We get by Muketi level. There's like a stop and go type shit. There's like your lieutenant and whatnot. The generals are there monitoring. There's no like cold drink level, Baba. They're saying they're pounding the taxi. Bro, I was supposed to be at work, and remember, I have to go there. I have to clock in at 6. Bro, like I mean, shit, bro. They're saying, wow, they're taking this taxi. Texting my manager. Manager is thinking I'm making stories. I'm shooting videos, like I'm shooting selfies. Like, yo, bro, I'm stuck. I'm here, bro. Finally, I think he paid like 5K or so. They let him go on the spot. Yeah, on the spot. They let him go sharp. There's like these garages. Remember, we're no longer going to Naibom because Naibom they say whatever. We're operating like the garage level, bro. The traffic, patkos, Baba. Remember, N1 is like 2 lanes going that side, 2 lanes going home, right? We took 3 lanes going that side. Even the one that goes that side. The transport people were operating on just too much, bro. I never went home on Good Friday and stuff. But like this was my first and last. I was like, this is a shitty thing, bro.
Are you enjoying birthday?
My birthday? Remember I told you when my birthday is...
I got
No! I was not operating my birthday. My birthday, Savannah took me to her families and whatnot. Then I operated the white people's level then.
So shy, mfana longa ungaqedelanga wardrobe uye lo oyenza ukuthi ukuthi sithola kakutshela.
Yeah, we did. It was Bibo's this time around. It was Bibo's birthday.
Oh, Bibo.
Yeah.
Take us through.
I thought I did take them through.
I get.
Yeah, you're late, man. People just said he was late, and we were talking about they mentioned Jeanette and Donna. They mentioned the key level. So did you get your key on your 21st birthday?
Yeah. No.
But did you want it?
Obvious, guys, 21.
So you wanted that key?
Anamakata kichimile.
Yeah.
They deserve.
Yeah.
But Amanda was that.
No, but like she scared me when she mentioned the price of that key thing, man.
Malin.
Starting from your 10Ks to 18 to 20 to 20 something.
I deserve.
Donna.
I think if I'm njengama metric dance, kwabona abazali bagowa all art kanjani. Abana futhi these days ku West, they can even call out ama celebrity ukuthi kuba amapartner wabo. Asaseleli sisethi ukuthi ngizobika i-classmate yami or whatsoever. Bukhuwi imoto ama Barnabasi, ama Porsche.
Yeah.
Like they can even hire like bigger photographers kuzoshoot umntwana akho on that day. So I think ikhi nayo injalo.
But yazi mina ngifuna ukuthini sithole la.
Sure.
I feel like ikhile abayishoyo. Game like kuya ngokuthi i-background yakhe njani. Like endlini kunjani. Angeke mina ngizothi ngifuna isikhiye se 20k. Mina leyo 20k ngibona ingakheli room, ngibona ishama room lapha endlini, ngibona nje yenza into eziningi kabi. Yabo so Rafethu.
Yeah, bro, like exactly. It's like the Easter eggs that you guys were hunting and stuff. I think is based on where you come from. La nefika umphaka ngizange ngabona abantu bagijimisa amacanda.
Isikhathi awagijimisa bancane bodwa.
Amacanda agijimisa kuphi?
Bayofika mthatha
Bafuna phela iyasinama park
phela khumbulani isonto elivelela decide ukuthi let's do this for the environment. So maybe nina isonto leni iyenze esontweni lapho abayenzanga like out there.
ngiyozothatha ichocolate ifihle isikhathi.
Yabona usathi yafihla dlula unyama uyenzani lo?
But like on the real, you see, even you were surprised when we mentioned about like the Easter hunt and whatnot. You're like, I haven't seen these things, bro. What are you talking about?
I think we are in environment.
Yeah, I think it's where you come from.
Yeah.
Plus I need to like corner the park eqeda ukuvulwa kona leya ngase Jamaica. Yeah, corner the park like bevuliwa vele today. Like the outdoors, so yeah. Ubialo.
No, I hear you. So you said she have like interesting topics that you wanted to ask.
Me?
Yeah. Or something.
No, it was Bogay.
Oh yeah.
Zala don't be shy. Hey Zala, hey Zazi.
That one is like a random question.
Yeah,
I just wanted to know. Ewo ezukai, maukule, HIV, AIDS, everything.
Yeah.
So
Then you a level.
yeah. So like zayibiza njani? Itotoloza yakho yabo. Ya shrink okanye.
No, you know that's the trash, my man.
Oh my god!
Hey, the trash.
No, because I have experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so
Yo muntu amaziyo ungathi wena mzala bazosuka bathi uphelile. Besixoxa ukuthi like bekasho ukuthi so like why abantu bathanda ukuthi amantombazane ayaphela yabo and abafana bapheli ngathi hell no nabafana bayaphela apha phambili kuyashrinka akusabe uyambona mase kumele ulale naye ashikane naye ayisavuki man it's like ama sugar mama for
yes
we say abo
okay
it's like abafana laba abancane no abo amantombazane lawa young athanda ukujola nama-blesser I feel like sometimes there's a reason why ama-slay queen athanda ukujola nama-blesser labo baba bakhulu yabo and ba-charge i-price enkulu because they know ukuthi angithi once wachitha sastopa it's a price if ufuna enye round it's a different price
now you are talking about when people are buying.
Yes, no, like ngenzi example yokuthi lokushrinka lokhu kuyabe yabo. So obviously so mengizolala nayo lo baba loyo and like achama it's a matter of sekamdala ushrinkile ikhathele kudala abashaya amantombazane so nabo bayaphela like bayaphela guys abafana just get it through ukuthi umfana uyaphela no so khuluma nje ngabantu babonayo
Hey shiri
mawubona kushuthi nifike
no I'm not so funny.
Okay, let me answer you, ne?
Yeah.
So I think you guys are confusing diabetes and HIV. HIV, you are normal. Your immune works normal, but your immune is being destroyed by HIV because it's attacking our soldiers who are you know. So we were not gonna have HIV being spread around if they shrink, because basically ilingana ne riding. You understand? Exactly. So I shrink at all, unless if maybe it's like you are having like gonorrhea or syphilis or some kind of diseases, you know, that's gonna operate the shrinking level. But like it doesn't shrink when you have HIV.
Also, the shrinking part is caused by diabetes.
Yeah. Because remember.
Okay. So abafana young.
Let me
then what? Let's say abakuli.
Let me operate. Okay. So wait, you were asking about diabetes. So hear me out, ne? So the diabetes one, it's not like I vogue normally. Ivuga yona mayithanda. Meaning so it's not gonna happen. So if exactly. So if manje, let's say manje, you are cooking. We must operate like, can you stop that and then let's attend this thing, this matter like now. Do you understand?
It's about you.
No,
Exactly, thank you. It's no longer about us.
No, I'm getting done.
Because that time
you are not gonna get what you want because now there's like disease involved. So meaning whenever, even if in saying emakuleni yavuka ngani kumele ngijima before you. If it's such a pride, I must bolt myself. Ngifika lana isami. You get
So 24 hours, 24/7. You are shrinking, like always up. Always up, guys. So didn't come on to lose, like see show off.
But like man, so it doesn't shrink at all. Even if you have like HIV or whatever, you get. So people.
Umfana like simkhomba kanjani ke? Ukuthi uphelile lo like ngabana njengentombazane ayisentombazane amafana but isipuni sakhe sesiwile akasenalo yathi apparent yakhe you understand seka yijeli and then umfana like how do we tell from your boy's perspective, like how do we tell ukuthi uyehlile?
Mina honestly speaking, when it comes to boys, bona njengama pampers but usithola ngasavuka.
Yeah.
Like
Pampers like a diaper.
like
umfana akawe njengentombazane.
No.
Intombazane uyabona.
Tina
So ipampers usuka soyiqinise yini yasikake?
yeah, oh, like isystem yakho ayisebenza on. Awusakhona
And
ukuvuka.
siyababona.
So later does it happen like to young boys like our age group or umntwana?
More I can't say I yenzeki kuma small boys, ne? But most of the team we have seen abantu abadala happening I mean while these things happening to them. But it doesn't mean it doesn't happen to boys.
I think yenzakala kakhulu le drop.
Yeah, but it drop iyalapheka isifo esilapheka.
Umfana kholula ukuthi umbone ukuthi sekawudla unless wena uhambile wabona ushare inkingi.
And mind you it drop
Uzositshela ke masenihlukene futhi.
Do you know which when you may be carrying drop like right now? Do you know that? Do you know? Do you know how
Ngiyedlala
but like do you know how drop works?
Phela nabo sometimes amantombazane amantombazane futhi especially amanje azitshela ukuthi azi kakhulu. I think lezo zinto zikhoswa na lezi zinto ezincane ukuthi uthola ukuthi wenze abortion. Mele uhambe uyogezwa ngokuthi wenza into ezidala. Bese wena uyahamba uyolala nomntana abantu. Obvious uzowathola lezo zinto lezo. Yebo.
And do you know what ladies carries drop?
No, that's not fun.
No, like I when's the loot to him. Of course your coochie is gonna smell. Yes. Like look, it drop mostly. If especially if you're not taking care of yourself that much, especially on your genital. Mama kizi shapo na. So iyalinda ne? Ilinda umfana. Umfana uyangena uyayithatha. It doesn't mean ukuthi kuwesuyile. Still ikhona. Lo ahambile umjita uyotela another girl manje. You understand? Kuloya ayenzi lutho but her coochie is gonna smell. So but still izolinda nana kuye ayenzi lutho angeke aslima but kumfana.
So yakureka untombazane. Untombazane yakureka.
Wenza
Ikungathi ne story
like it drop away. Like yakhona ukuphola.
Oh, Q. Yeah, you now you're clinic bakufaka injection.
So clinic into engicabanga right now ukuthi akusi
STI is that sexual transmitted disease doesn't mean it's a disease. It's a gonorrhea, drop, whatever. It's STI.
Ibizwa yini kumantombazana ngisininayo futhi STI. So kumantombazana STI.
Yeah. Bro, do you know the meaning of STI?
Yes.
Yeah.
So ngithi mina my chat is
your chat is
it drop angithi abafanele it drop.
Yeah.
Intombazane njengoba wena usho ukuthi we also have like it drop. Yona ibizwa yini?
Still it drop. Whatever lay umjuluko and what not ukubona nokuthi umuntu angagezi.
But then kwesinye isikhathi khona ama effects anjalo like kuba ne itching, punani, whatever, funny smells.
Yeah.
Not all the time we drop.
No, but like
yeast infection.
Thank you.
That's yeast infection.
Those are
and it is infection. It's not also caused by ukulala. Sometimes like umzimba wakho. And also umzimba wakho. No, it's not about not taking care of yourself. It happens ukuthi like uyithole.
Like how?
I don't think
are you using wrong pads that comes with these things? Like what happened? Like because okay, angazi like no information about yona. Mara like inokenzakala like
nawe inywana.
No, inokenzakala like intombazane ebine yeast infection. Angazi because why?
No, it has to come from somewhere.
Somewhere.
Yeah, it's either insipho what you're using. It can cost whatever, but like it just can't come from heaven.
From heaven.
Yeah. It's either it's either you are using wrong maybe but in let's say 10 pounds or something that you are inserting inside you. It's either thank you. So those that's where it forms and causes such diseases. Donna, have you ever catch STI? You're the one who said it. Tina, what?
Maybe my STI, that's why I'm not because
No, I'm just asking you.
Or in Kangana, no Montotia, who catch it.
I guess last you were talking about the Caesar level, because it.
I was talking about the Caesar level. I put in a yen.
I'm not saying good yes, but I'm saying good. Have you ever? Even though yes, but I'm saying good.
So does it happen? Good Samantha Mazana is Caesar like patulama infection.
Yes, yes. You are rubbing to each other.
Okay, so HIV.
I don't know.
What if we are was ne? Let's say sachokozana la Let me land, guys. Let me land.
Okay,
So no, we're educating you guys.
It's educational episodes. You must
for those who are lesbians, like
yes, exactly. We want to know. You
we see one of our
now you guys know. I get it. Where they
yes, yeah, but nigga nguthi
educational.
No, like you said, you could amantombazane lawa because most of the time bayisho kumantombazane abakile laba abanemizimba ukuthi oh no ubhalisa sekaphilile ubhalisa
kaphilile.
Okay, aphela kanjani amabele?
Obviously phela abakuzala manje.
No, wait, I'm against that. Thank you. Like amabele not all the time. Mewayilenga awusase jiji. Uyaphula whatsoever. Kwesinye isikhathi ufuzo wasendlini.
And the guys then they namathambo. Why they expect to eat? Ngaso sonke isikhathi mayikhuli yawa.
And laba ba straight noma babadala iBBL.
It's a big
wait.
BBL.
Okay, what is
I don't think umama omdala mela be namabele a straight so. Shumeso go.
Mara likhona
or response sisibustibele kuthi lithi. Yes, ibraya khona. How? Oh, I'm still cooking yabona baze Caesar. So let's say a girlfriend
have you done a Caesar before?
Nah. Awuthaba ukulu. Makashap.
Woo!
Okay,
if you get an opportunity, would you do a Caesar?
Eh? No.
Okay, alright.
No. I don't know.
I
don't know. Angazi, I feel like iyakulisana only if loyal girl loyal girl no nisiza yakulisana.
Nisiza yakulisana. What's wrong with
that? Imele ikulisane isiza because what if ulele na loyal girl loyo azanga naba ne agreement ukuthi no baby let's go for some test uvele wahlofozana naye and then let's say beka ma period on that time yes most definitely.
So before if slangane group
it's like amage anyobana endunu kumele batestane before uzomhlaba
endulabo so wena nje ukuthi wonke umuntu okwala naye uye waye ku test
of course izinto so uyazithenga uzibe khona endlini safety precautions guys like oh no.
I guess I hear you.
It's not dokotela ekhaya. Nama shower.
So ngizobe ngibuza wena.
Let's say lo girl lo sama period. No, I get my period like because of my period and then you guys have been doing this thing. Igazi like killing and you don't know her status. I think they can't get sick.
So when you think
I know
are you thinking in that
okay uthe wena uke wayenza athi no angifuni ukugula ungathi like isiza iza nokugula like
no brajo yakulisana
uyabo it's like ungibuza ukuthi uke ngithi ngiyenza like ngazelaphi
now you know. Now anyways isiza eyakulisana guys so Google laba batshekile LGBTQI+ iskero ni testing no abantu they should test guys ama lesbian mela kumena ngaphandle
kodwa akaza swim. Mele nikhulana ama-partner wenu. Ningamameli.
No, like, no, alright.
Mina sengikhulumela laba abangabi like nama-conversations, especially maybe lama-lesbian ayang ajolanayo yabo, if they wanna get to that level. Because angithi bagcina ku-finger looking good. So maybe bazofika lapho ku-skero. I think kumele kube na that discussion. Yabana njenge-yeast infection. Let's say unayo, you don't know. And ayakhe maybe aksile enuka kakhulu because ukuma treats and whatsoever. Imagine leyo clot yalento ephumayo kuye emhlophe besingena kuwe now so yatheleleka so uqala uyanuka lapha phansi guys. So phela it's not like mase so hlopozana lapha yana uyayipopora qala le yakugule. No, I find it different because guys, nina nababheka amantombazane mina babheka ngithi.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah. Uvela usothatha uStofan lapho yangena la ayithatha amele uqala upopole.
So I think the only time they babheka is when the lights is off.
Ibheka ngitayela so.
Yeah. Nami into abafezi bangixoxela ukuthi bayichecka. Nokunuka.
Obvious vela ungeke
if ufuna ukuya ku muffin tin, angithi obviously in order for a girl abe wet, you first start ngefinger looking good, and then if a guy wants to do the muffin tin, like after like ukumhlohla ngithi wena bona usemoyeni umnandi.
Hey, we love
so bayayitayela ezokunuka imino yabo.
Okay.
So amantombazane ningakhala abafana mebangayi ku muffin tin should mean unenkinga lapha phansi. Like I feel like amanye amantombazane they always like no mina my friend amangithandi because akayi ku muffin tin, not because akafuni, maybe kunento ayizwile and anyeke akutshele because he loves you. So when basically your sexual intercourse yogcina lapho okubhebha.
Okay, so when Ntwana i-boyfriend yakho ikutshela if kune like some stinky.
As much as I can tell him, Ugutu, no, baby, I don't like the way you do this. Let's try and do it like this. Then Melangel, Mela be honest. If I gotta be honest, if it's going to so it's Susana at oh baby, as to know Nugum Melo oh baby, down there. Get chachami sangad. Because it's about insultive if Usong Tengela out of nowhere also heavenly amalentheric izinto zokugeza lezo esinuka kamnandi bese nyamangala and then mina shame ngaba offended umuntu amangithengela izinto zokugeza uhlangana phi.
No,
why do you think stick up sunlight uyaphapha uzongithengela heavenly
Masase lapho kwinto ezokuthengelana and what not, ne? I have a question. Do you think with good relationship is there any like a forbidden gift that like you shouldn't get for your partner?
I think if cultural. Okay. More cultural. Exactly. Ngila ngayiswa vele izinto. I think kuya ngebelief yakho. Yabona nje ngomuntu ikhathulo so zinishilo it's like bathi angazi uyamxosha away from wena. Uyenza ukuthi ahambe. Same applies nokuthi endlini kunomcimbi right now. Mina ngoba I'm so clean. Ngithatha umshanyelo ngiyashanyela. Yes, good. I won't be aware why abantu bahamba one by one. It's because of nyashanyela and kunomcimbi. That's why ngithi cultural bazohamba. Akikhani but then
I feel like amatiora akhwabugogo from dala lezinto lezi ungakhani umama kuzoba nebele liwani. Serious.
Oh my God. It's the best time when
guys. Angisho ukuthi zonke akusizo ne. But ezinye izinto zakudala abogogo beba angazi.
Yeah, vele amanye ama-theory ayasikhulala because isikhula nawo even now. I think either way abantu like ababelivela kuyo kakhulu. Kwabona njengawo bathi kuwe no sithole you have a spiritual gift and then when udwele kuyo kakhulu at that time when you were into Christianity, by the way I'm not against abantu aba spiritual ninganguyeni. So and then abantu like bakutshele lento leyo ukuthi have a spiritual gift and then when usazama ukuzithola because you're not into that thing, you've always been fully into Christianity. So qala uyazilandelela because manje sonjani so confused awusazi uyenze and unale thing kelelo eyawuri yo I mean lento le abantu abathanda ukuyisho ukuthi mongalandeleli idlozi bazokushaya okubani banikini bazoshona bese indaba iba nkulu. Yeah, I'm a myth for abantu.
Well, do you have any like a forbidden gift that like you wouldn't get for, or maybe you wouldn't accept, or you wouldn't take it if your boy buys you?
Stuff like that.
Why?
Because it's
No, mayazi amantombazane ne-azazi ukuthi afunani.
Yeah.
Umuntu uzothi angithengele lensipho yokugeza.
Aya
Ayayenza the moment akuthenga ufila offended ufunani.
awufunani.
I think like right for abantu abakuma relationship along.
I don't mind. I-gift kimi. It's the thought that count ukuthi ungene shop wabonto so wangicabanga. Yabo. So ukuthi abantu bayithatha kanjani ha?
Yeah, you were saying.
Mari roll on yon. Hayi ngona ngitshela.
Mara phela ngiyaka gift roll on nayo unjani kanti?
No,
Colgate.
that's where comes lento leyo ukuthi ama-myth guys ingena khona because why I think men vele appreciate the little things whatever umuntu azokuthengela zona because wena into engishoyo omunye umuntu maybe umthengela iphenti uzophatha no sengiyasho omunye umuntu umthengela iphenti uzoba nalento le no baby ngibona ngihlezi ngifekele la phenti kanti akathi amakhala ayafana
Let's complain.
Do you remember ngasho ukuthi girlfriend yakhe
I think it's AJ or something. They're all black.
Let's say ucola wena full back. Imagine ngiyacomplaina nge full back manje. Then ube like awungithengeli. Like icala ungithengele ungikho. So mawuthenga lelo paint aba feel offended. Mara mawuthenga roll on ba feel offended. Why? I-paint iyo beyimele kuyonza feel offended.
Roll on.
Okay, why are you saying?
No, I think leyo singayenza if it's a long distance. I mean long relationship. If into eqalayo and you just buy the thing, you should be ngiyanuka. Yeah.
When you catch a flight, shoot uyazazi.
No, never. Okay, when ngenye first week relationship yakho, would you buy that for umuntu wakho? Like awicabanga ukuthi uzocabanga kanjani. Kutsho ukuthi wangikhamusi. Wangikhababy. So mina no baby, don't do that to me. No.
Okay, then Wena, is there any forbidden gifts you wouldn't receive?
Ngama ukhiphe for
Mina baby wami ngiyamthengela kwasani nje.
Wena nje gift nje oshoyo ukuthi le umuntu mina ngeke ngivuma ngithenge into so yabona njengoba basho ngeke mina ngivuma umuntu angithengele roll on. Like ikhona igift wena ongayithanda ukuthi like uyasho ukuthi yabona ngifuna ngisomjwayela.
Yeah, mina ngabhala
Roll on ngeke kube ngestress.
Angithandi ngicabanga. Ngicabanga.
Lento le is so picky ifana njengomuntu uthi kuye siyahlangana nge-first meet up and then ubaby athi kimi no umangalo ukise makoteni umangazwa yini ufuna sephela parada ngihlangane nawe kasi sela parada.
Okay, honestly, like, okay, you guys are so big when it comes to flowers and stuff, and me, I don't get it. Yeah.
Not everyone.
I'm a vase.
So you wanna buy, you know, it's how it looks.
At least
this group is called
like guys I'm a flower yatura you know noma ngiyabona ungathi mali.
What's so special about flowers, Vele?
Ngine ngibathandayo.
Yeah.
Mina I don't like flowers. No, seriously. No, I'm like I don't like the smell. Like nginokumanga namantombazane oh that smells so good babe. Like
bakhona phela babathandayo.
Anyway.
And I'm a flower yatura ne.
Yeah,
the rose is say two or say for especially it's already that guys. So appreciate to girls about my flower and appreciate amadoda win because they went all out for my flower.
Okay, word of the day to give our viewers. Let's start with you, Nsako, before we close the show. Katen, and then Donna.
Sanahana. Kubaunahan.
And then Donna.
Ukuthi guys ngicabanga izinto before season.
People.
With tears abafethu.
Donna, word of the day.
Appreciate the little things you get.
True, appreciate the little things you get, guys. I'm a roll on the gates. I've seen like it. So little things matter. And
Okay, guys, that was no cap, guys. I think this is episode 7. So shout out to everybody who's busy commenting on the comment section, guys. Please comment so we can mention you, on our shows, guys. Please like, subscribe, press the notification bell. Shout out to Lesego, shout out to Nomatapo, shout out to who else is always there on our comment section. We haven't seen you commenting there.
I'm watching.
yeah.
But you must operate the comment level. Okay, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, we are out.
No. Guys, read the guest there. What's going on?
What we gave you?
Over to her.
No, see.
Ayo, guys. So Zikishilo. It's your girl Naditi Washington, all the way back from Santon Crickle Street. She's back and she'll be back again with another shebang. So please don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Press that notification button, guys, because we're about to drop more bangers and shit.